tayo dito sa lamesa. Medyo nagkakagulo kasi pinakain ko po si Clara. So, bumili po ako nitong suman na sinasawsaw po sa sugar. Alam niyo ba kainin to? Yan. So, mamaya na yan, no?
Ito po yung leftover kahapon. Si Clara po tinuruan ko magluto ng pesto, tuna pesto kahapon. Kasi meron pang natira ng pasta noodles dun sa pesto na ginawa ko nung una, which is hindi ko pa po na-upload yung vlog ngayon. So yun po, meron pong tira. Tapos ito pong tinapay na to, yung LA Baker na cheese bread yan. So yun, tinago ko lang kagabi. So ininit ko na po to, pwede na pong kainin. Yan. So ito po yung coffee ko. Okay. Nope.
Brewed coffee na po yan. Tapos nilagyan ko muna po ng konting cream kasi medyo naninibago na naman po ako. So, eto na po yung mga sangkap natin. Actually, tuturuan ko po dapat si Clara magluto today kaso busy na po siya. Kung sinong interested para dito sa aking sleepwear, comment down below lang po. Sasabihin ko po kung saan ko nabili to. So, yan. Napakaganda po. Yan. Maluwang po siya. So, yan. Ang ganda po niya. So, yun po. Meron po akong beef dito. Yan. Tapos, yung pong natira pong kalabasa.
Kahapon dito pero hindi ito yung gagamitin ko.
Prefer ko yung pechay. So, ito nga po pala, kanina, kaya naputol po yung pagsasalita ko kanina. Dumating po si nanay, yung nag-rolling store ng mga veggies. So, ito po, para po dito, 50 pesos lang. Ayan. So, meron akong dalawang pechay na marami. Hindi po siya konti, marami yung pechay. Tapos, 3 pirasong medium na talong. Potato, tapos mga 5 kamatis. Ayan.
Tapos, ito po si Milo, ang aking baby dog. Milo, bakit nandito ka? Nagluluto si Mami, nagbablog si Mami. Hi! Ito pa is Cassie! This is Cassie, my miniature baby. Okay, yun, nagsiselos yung isa. Ito po yung mga aso namin pinakamamahal. Ito po ay Jack Russell po. Ayan. Ah! No! Nagsiselos kasi.
A few moments later.
So ayan, handa lang po natin yung gagamitin ni Clara. Mga talong, hindi ko po gagamitin to sa ibang araw po. Kaya po bumili ako ng fish. Bali, ipa-partner ko po to sa paggabi. Pritong isda at saka pritong talong. Sausaw sa suka. So ito lang po yung gagamitin natin. So hintayin lang po natin si Clara, mga yads, kasi para po may iba po silang activity kesa nagsiselfone po ng cellphone para matuto din po siya.
So yan. So siguro aalisin ko lang yung balat muna. Para hindi na po siya mahirapan. Pag gamay niya nang gumagamit ng kutsilyo, doon ko na lang po siya hahayaan totally mag-isa. Sa kanya, para mamaya.
Linisan ko na rin. At ito po pala si Clara, yung bunso kong anak. Bali, tuturuan ko po siyang magluto. So, from now on, lagi po siyang makakasama sa pagluluto. So, mag-cut muna po siya ng sibuyas. Sibuyas muna, anak. Not thin leaf because you need chunks. Okay. Ganyan kalaki, o. Yan. Ganyan. Be careful. Okay. So, you set it aside. Don't hold it. You can use your because maagtayan. Oh, you cut it in half first, in the middle. Okay, when you cut it, yan, pwede mo na siyang is-upside down na ganyan.
Okay, and then ganyan din. When you're doing nilaga, not so little. Yan, ganyan. Oh, the other one pa. The other one. Yan.
Okay, so yan. Meron ka ng sibuyas. So this one, you cut potato naman. We need to take off the balat. But to make it easier, you cut it in half first. Be careful, anak. Papatayin ako ng ama mo pag nasugatan ka.
Okay, you cut it in half pa. Like this. Oops. Okay, the other one pa. Be sure, wag ka munang nagagano hanggang hindi ka sure na ano. Yan. So when it's already finished, you can actually take it out much more. Yeah. Let this go. Yeah, like that. Oh, yung mukha mo, anak. Oh, you know how to do this naman, di ba? Pag nagbabalat ka ng ano, mangga or apple. Yes. Okay. You can do this. Okay. Try it. Do you want smaller, ano? What? Smaller what? Smaller knife? I don't know. Smaller knife. Smaller knife for smaller girl. Huwag mo yan, ilayo mo sa mukha mo, hindi pa ganyan.
What?
Okay. So, in the kalabasa, because it's much more harder, so that you can take this off, because you need to take this off in the balat. So, you also do the thing that I did with the potato. You cut it in half, like that, small, so that you can take it much more faster. Be careful, your hands. You start in the middle kasi, in the bigger part. Tapos you cut it. Yan, okay. So, ito, tingnan mo. It will be much more easier for you to take this out. Oh. Tapos, in this one naman, you can actually take it out like that. That's the easiest way.
Get the petchay. Ayan. Di ba nakatali siyang ganyan? So, this part, you're going to take away. So, dito mo siya i-cut.
Oh, so ito, this is clean already. You cut it in half pa, dito. Yan. Do that, tapos you cut it in half. Okay, so yan.
I want to chop like this. I'll be cooking nilagang beef. Here's the ingredients. Beef, of course, onions,
Pechay.
and some vegetables.
What are those?
Potatoes and calabasa.
Kalabasa. Squash. Okay? So, we're going to cook na. Clara will be cooking for you guys. So,
Yes,
watch
me.
out.
Oh!
Guys, Clara will be cooking today. Oh, sige. You put some oil. What is the first thing that you need to do?
Oil.
Your pot is already hot. Okay, so put some oil. Where is your oil?
Right here.
Oh, sige.
Oil right here.
Walang tatalsik dyan, anak. Tatalsik lang kapag may water. Kaya you need to...
Oops! Sabi ko sa'yo, konti lang.
Ano yan, anak? So you put your ano... What did I tell you when you're putting your ingredients? Huwag mong itapon, di ba? As close as possible. Sige! Sige! Ayan. When it's too high, you're going to talsik the oil. Translucent yung color ng onion bago po natin ilagay yung
I wish I was.
meat. Lakas na ano. Ayan. Okay, so yan po, na-mix na po ni Clara yung onion. So, hintayin lang po nating magsingaw po ng natural juice niya. So, alam niya na po yan. So, nilakasan ko po ng konti yung heat. Tapos, takpan siguro natin. Okay. Let's takip. Yan. And let's wait for a few minutes. So, ito po, after a minute. So, tignan na po natin. Take away the pan, take away the lid na. Okay. And you put it here. Here. Yan, yan, yan. So, you stir it a little bit. Hold your pan. Yan. Yan.
The idea about that, kaya nilagay natin yung lid is to help the meat para, no, to actually, steam its own, meat para, para lumabas yung ano niya. Okay, so, para hindi siya tumalasik. O, yan. O, sige, get pa. One more. Or two more. Three. Okay. Five, the final one.
For a few minutes, again. So, pwede po nating takpan. Okay. Then, we'll just wait. So, you check it out na, Clara. You open the lid, then you put it here. Be careful. Yan, because it's already boiling, you can put your potatoes and kalabasa. Oh,
Wag na ganon. Easy. Oh, parang hindi tatalamisik sa'yo. Oh, sige, you put it. Sige, wala na? Okay. So, yun na yun. Mix it.
let's add beef cubes para po mas lalong malasa. Take that out.
So here we go, our pork cubes.
Ganyan. Ayan. So, hintayin lang po natin lumambot itong vegetable. Then, we can put our last vegetable, which is the pechay. So, hintayin lang po natin mga yads. Okay, so let's check this out once again. Okay, you take out the lid, anak. Okay, you put it here. Be careful. Okay, so it's already boiling. So, you check kung ano na, malambot na yung ano. You can do this, oh. Tapos kuha ka ng tinidor, anak. Ayan, tinidor. Tinidor. Okay, so you can do that, tapos you poke it. Oh, sige, you do it. Para alam mo pag ano. Get vegetable and you poke it. Tingnan mo, diyan ka lang. Yan. Oh, it's tender na, 'di ba? Oh, yung potato naman, kuha ka ng potato. Check it out. Ayan. Okay? Okay, yung meat naman, isang meat. Okay. Poke it. Let me see. Because that is beef. It's kinda hard pa.
It's kind of hard for me.
Actually, mga yads, it's tender na po. So, talagang ganun lang naman yung meat. Medyo hard siya. Medyo firm siya. Or firm kasi siya, pero okay na po siya. But, I think we needed to add some seasoning or salt or whatever para po mas malasa. Kasi, parang hindi ko po nalalasahan. Okay.
Pamintang buo. Clara, can you get for 1 cup of water, please? Okay, let's add 1 cup of water. Kasi mahilig sila sa sabaw. So, dadagdagan po natin ng sabaw kasi most of the time po, sabaw lang po yung kakainin nila dyan.
Okay. Okay. Just wait for a little while. Then, siguro mag-add po ako ng konting patis. Para po malasa. Tapos, let's just wait. Isang kulo na lang po. Then, we will add the pechay. Then, it's already okay po. So, ito na po. I-check na po natin for the last time. Naririnig na po namin nagbo-boil. So, take it out na. Okay, so yan. Okay. So, I think, okay, malambot na lahat yan. So, your last step.
I'm gonna put this.
Okay, what is that?
It's leche plan.
Not leche plan! Okay, let's put the pechay. Leche plan ka dyan. Okay, yan. Okay, sige, ano?
Okay, so yan mga yan. Nasa po sa plan. We're putting the ano, then you just put yan. Ganun lang. Yan. Okay. Can you actually get a sabaw konti? Anak, when you taste it? Get konti sabaw. Konti lang. Okay. Oh, then you blow it before you taste it. Forget to ask you to taste it.
Oh, how was it?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
It has taste?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Okay, so you cook that. Did it? Okay. Okay, so you can turn it off na. So yan na po mga yads, ang luto ni Clara. So yan na po ang ating nilagang baka. Ang ginamit po natin dyan na veggies are potato, squash, at saka yung pechay. So yan na po mga yads. Niluto po ni Clara yan. So, yan na po mga yads. Natapos na po yung niluto ni Clara na nilagang baka. So, what can you say about your experience, anak?
It's good. I feel good to like make food for my family.
Okay, was it hard cutting the onions or what? What
not
is the
really.
hardest? Really? What's the hardest?
The hardest thing to cut was the kalabasa.
Bakit?
Because it was so big and hard, and plus it's like
Okay, what did I always tell you? When you're cutting something or using a knife,
You
palagi
be careful.
kang mag-iingat kasi
Since I'm a child.
And also the way how you hold the knife and
It's dangerous.
the kalabasa kanina, it's too dangerous. You're putting it in front of your face. Nilalagay mo sa harap ng
Because I feel
because when
more
you
like-
no, you're supposed to actually learn the right way. So that's why of course, when you're used to doing that, kala mo yan yung tama. So, you need to do it, you need to make it far from your face para pag nagkamali ka, you're not going to hurt yourself. Gusto mo bang ma-hurt yung ano mo? Masugatan mo yung face mo?
nope.
Okay. So, next time, ang tuturo ko sa'yo how to suklay your hair. So, yan na po, nagtatapos ang ating videos, cooking show, a little bit cooking show with
Me.
Okay? Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video natin today, kindly
Like, share,
and subscribe to my channel po, Mami G Diary. At huwag niyo na rin pong kalimutang mag-comment down below for any content suggestion na gusto niyo po for our next vlog. So, mamimili po ako at i-feature ko po kayo sa aking video. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood niyo mga yads. This is Mami G.
and Clara.
Bye mga yads!